Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating distinct sections in your document. Insert a next page section break at each transition point. Once done, open the header or footer for the new section and disable link to previous so numbering can differ. Make sure to decide whether you will restart numbering or continue sequence. Restart when you want Roman numerals versus Arabic numerals, or continue when only format changes. This sets the stage for per section control. Next, with the header or footer active, select Format Page Numbers to choose the style for that section. You should pick Roman numerals for front matter, I, Roman 2, Roman 3, and Arabic for body, 1, 2, 3. Once selected, set the start at value if you're restarting numbering. Otherwise, choose Continue from previous when you want consecutive numbers. Be deliberate here, because this control is how the printer or PDF reader recognizes the separate numbering schemes. Finish by updating fields and inspecting the whole document. Right-click any page number and choose Update field, then review Print Preview or export a PDF to verify the sequence looks correct. If you spot incorrect numbering, make sure each change point actually has a section break, and that link to previous is cleared in that section's header/footer. A common fix is reapplying the correct format page number settings. If needed, delete the break and reinsert it to reset linkage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.